my friend, welcome to my new video with your Learn from Learn Bell. So today with another After Effects tutorial, and I will show you how to make this animation look like lights moving, and it's cool animation, but all that after this short break. Before I start, my friend, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, help me reach more and more subscribers. Let's start. So now create a new project. I'm using Adobe After Effects CC 2018. You can use any version you want. Let's just create a new composition with the size you want. So for me, I want to put it in the Instagram. So I have 1080 by 1080, and here you can use any frame you want. And for the duration, I will put just 10. Okay. And click OK. So the first thing we do now is just let's add some text, new text, and let's name Lara, and let's put it in the middle here. Go to align here. Okay. Now let's add the light. To do that, very simple, just let's go now to the pen tool, and we have here the fill. You can't fill it with any color, it's look like light, and for the stroke make it 0. Okay, so just create here this shape with me. Click here, after that here, after that here, and close it here. Okay, just let's drag a little bit here. And now let's just go to the pen behind tool, or just click by clicking Y and click on the shape. You see here the anchor point, just change it to here, and let's do the animation now. So in this layer, shape layer, just click the R for rotation, and just we click in the stopwatch for the first keyframe. Move to 10 frame, 20 frame, and you click Alt and the page down to move to the 10 frame. Okay, make it 30 frame, and just change here. Okay, sorry, we change again the anchor point. So now we have changed the anchor points. Let's just go to here, rotation, and change it to minus, so this minus 100, and now move to 30 frame all the way. Also 1, 2, 3, and let's just copy it, just duplicate the first frame. Just click Ctrl C, Ctrl V here, and let's close here the time here, and you see like this. Now let's do the magic, and so to do that, just very simple, just we'll duplicate this, Ctrl D to duplicate, and move it, drag it here to the first place. And you see now what we have to do now. Just if you cannot see the mode option, just click here, and you see here in this shape, just so you change to the alpha mode alarm 2. So let's do, you see now, and let's play it now. You see, okay, here is not good, so let's just change here. Okay, like this. Okay, if you want to change it here the color, just go to the shape here and change the color to, so just change the color here, and let's choose yellow. You see the color you want. Just very quick tutorial, my friend. I hope you like it. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, please like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel. Help me reach more and more subscribers. That's all for today. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.